Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about the type of the C# programming language. Let's get started. Before we have learned about the hello world and design goals of C#. And today we are going to learn about this type. Types overview for C# language programming. A C# program is a collection of type, classes, structs, enums, interfaces, and delegates. C# provides a set of predefined types. Example int, byte, char, string, object, extra. You can create your own types. All data and code is defined within a type. No global variables, no global functions. In most other purely object-oriented language, one would say that a program is a collection of classes. Not all types have all capabilities. Example, enums are fairly constrained. Types contain data members, for example, field, constants, and arrays. Events, function members such as method, operator, constructor, and destructors. Properties and indexers. Other types, classes, structs, enums, interfaces, and delegates. Types can be instantiated and then use call methods, get and set properties. Can convert from one type to another, implicitly and explicitly. Types are organized: namespaces, files, assemblies. There are two categories of types: value and reference. Value, you store this value in the stack, and for reference, you save this reference into your heap. Types are arranged in a hierarchy. Unified type system value types directly contain data cannot be null. Data, for example, string, integer, boolean, and extra. Reference type contain reference to object may be null. For example, like this, int I equal 1 to 3. It is integer. String hello world. And this data 1, 2, 3, and hello world, it will be saved in stack because they are as value types. Value types you can see on these primitives, enum, struct, and for reference type like this object string. For example, value types integer, float, enums, state, off, on, struct, point, x and y. If you see, struct is different with class. Class for many data and struct for small data. Reference type, for example, root, object, string, classes. Okay, maybe you want to create name class anything. You can use this reference type. Interfaces, arrays, and you can see the symbol of arrays like this. Arrays, delegates, delegate void empty. Okay, value types. It will be saved in stack, and reference type it will be saved in heap. Stacks in for short time and heap for long time. Unified type system. Value, struct, and reference class. You can see the difference between struct and class. Variable hold actual value, memory location. Allocated on stack member heap. Nullability always has value and for class may be null. Default value 0 and for class default value is null. Aliasing in a scope no. Class yes. Assignment means copy data, copy reference. Okay. When you use struct and when you use class depend on your needs. Benefit of value types: no heap allocation, less GC pressure, more efficient use of memory because the value of types is small and you can use efficient memory, less reference indirection, unified type system, no primitive or object dichotomy. Types conversion, implicit and explicit. You can use this conversion from C#, implicit and explicit. Implicit conversion occur automatically, guaranteed to succeed. No information or precision loss. For explicit conversion, require a case may not succeed. Information precision might be lost. Both implicit and explicit conversion can be user-defined. Conversion, implicit and explicit. If you see on this example, implicit, you just copy from this number and then you can move automatically this number into Y. But for explicit, maybe you can get lost your data. For example, if you have data double, and then you want to convert your data double into integer, maybe you will get some your data. For example, data double like 10.321, and then you will convert this number into integer, and then just you will get data 10, and 3 to 1, this number will be lost. Unified type system. Everything is an object. All types ultimately inherit from object. Any piece of data can be stored, transported, and manipulated with no extra work. You can see in here object, and the the above of this object is class, and then you can see on under this object such as string, assemble, integer, double, and for where is this data will be saved, for example in memory stream, file stream. I think enough for this learning about the overview a little about this type, and in the next time we will continue about polymorphism and extra. And today we just learned about the conversion type, implicit and explicit. I hope you understand about the difference between them and the difference between struct and class. Struct will be saved in stacks, and class will be saved in heap. And then you know the content of value and content of reference. This is the basic of C# language programming. If you have any question, you can comment on below this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video. See you next time, and goodbye.